Good morning guys, the weather is good today. Ang ganda ngayon dito sa aking veranda. Very nice. Today is a sunny day. Ayan, namumunga ng aking avocado. Ayan, sana maraming bunga ito. Ayan, ayan yung clouds nakakiss pa rin sa sa lupa. Ayan, very clear po ngayon yun sa sa Marcos Highway. Ayan, ang galing. Ayan, ayan, ang ganda ganda. Ayan, yun po yung hindi makita ngayon ang Santo Tomas. Ayan, so ayan, ganda. Ngayon lang ako ayan, ito po. Ayan guys, ayan pong itsura ng aking Iwanda. Saan yung bird na nag-chirps? Ayan, ayan. So guys, thank you for watching with me today. I mean, ayan, ganda ng huni ng bird, no? Ayan, ayan, it's sunny day, so thanks God. At ganda na at maliwalas na ngayon ang panahon. It's been foggy and raining for the past 2 weeks, so this morning it's okay now. So ayan, narinig ko na yung lahat ng mga uni ng mga ayan yung yan, turkey dyan sa kabila sa aking kapitbahay. Ganda ng huni ng ibon, saka yung mga huni ng mga tilaok ng mga manok. Ayan, very nice morning. Thank you very much. Thank you Lord for this day. Ayan, so ayan guys, good morning and have a good day. Have a good day everyone. So thank you for viewing with me. Bye bye. Ayan, once again guys, dito na naman ako sa Burnham Park. Ayan, ito po yung bagong bloom na flowers. Ayan, maliwalas na naman po ngayon ang Burnham guys. Ayan, ito yung, yan pa yung biking area. Ayan, then ito, ayan, diba guys, mukhang ako lang ngayon ata. Ayan, so ayan guys, let's go na naman po tayo dito sa lake. Ganyan, may bago na silang ginawang steps pa daan. Ayan, so guys, ayan, akyat tayo akyat tayo, akyat at tayo manood po tayo ng lake. Wow, may bago silang ginawa stairway to lake. Ganyan, diba? Ayan, so ayan guys, dito na tayo. Ayan, nice view in here. So wow, galing naman ng lake ngayon. So ayan guys, this is Burnham Lake. Okay, ayan, wala pong nagbo-boating ngayon kasi po naka GCQ na naman ngayon. So no more boating as in. as in crystal clear ngayon dito sa Burnham Lake. Ayan. Crystal clear. Ayan guys. So ayan. Sa gilid-gilid po niyan, yan po ay mga hotels. Burnham Park is one of the beauty spots, tourist spots of Baguio. Ito po ay man-made lake. Ayan. So ayan, baba na tayo ulit. Ayan. Ganito po kalinis ngayon ang green. It's really nice. So ayan guys. Let's get down. Ganda-ganda talaga mamasyal. Kung ikaw lang ganyan, 'di ba? You alone against the world. Wow. 'Di ba? Ayan. Ay, makakadkad ng mga flowers. So ayan. Ayan, go. Tayo dito sa under the tunnel and under the bridge. Ito guys, so 'di ba? Let's go, go. Ayan. Ayan. Napakaano talaga ang mga flowers, flower blooms. So ayan guys. So ayan guys, thank you for viewing with me. Thank you for having me today. So let's continue it later again. Okay, bye bye. Ayan, ito pa, flower blooms talaga dito sa Burnham Park. So it's nice to see the butterflies, see all the, ayan, ito po guys ang flower blooms, butterflies. Ganda tignan no, mga flowers. Ayan. Ito po yung just the daisy. Ayan guys, mamumukadkad ng mga bulaklak kasi malapit na yung panagbenga. You know, panagbenga is one of the festivities here in Baguio. We celebrate because panagbenga is means flower blooms. So there you are. Ito na mga daisies, just the daisies. Wow, full of flowers now. So ayan guys, ganito po kalinis talaga ang Burnham. Ayan. Ayan, ito mga to, flowers. So ayan guys, thank you once again for watching with me. Ayan. So ayan, thank you very much for having me today. Ayan. Done ang aking mamamasyal dito sa Burnham, and I'm going now, going home. So thank you for having me. Ayan, palabas na ako dito sa park once again. Thank you, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, then I'll share also. Okay, bye bye.